Installing shades? Here's how to measure for the size you need and the style you want. An internal mount is the most common shade setup. Installing shades inside your window frame or casing creates a clean, tailored look, great for spotlighting moldings and keeping things sleek and streamlined. First things first, measure from the front of the window opening to the glass to make sure you have enough depth for an inside mount. Next, measure the inner width of your window casing at the top of the window. This step is super important because the headrail has to fit. Choose a width at least 3/8 inches smaller than the window, rounding down to the nearest inch. Then, measure the height from the top of your window to the top of the sill. Do this on the left side, right side, and center. Record the longest measurement as your window's height. This will be your shade length. When placing your order, double check that your measurements are in the correct width-length order to guarantee right sizing.